Welcome to Walking in Circles with Heidi Gammill, aka Nest Pretty. Walking in circles is about striving toward your goals one step at a time, 1/4 mile at a time. And it's so very Nest Pretty, which is about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. You can't run a marathon unless you put one step in front of the other and do it consistently for like 3 months. So if you're having a hard time being consistent with your exercise goals, here's a couple of tips. You can lay out your exercise clothes, put them right next to your bed, and have your goal be to put them on. And then if you do, just celebrate that. Even if you don't exercise. Sometimes it's the little wins that will add up and push you forward. And you'll be like, oh, these stretchy pants aren't so bad. Let me put my tennis shoes on too. And go from there. One step at a time. Even if it takes you all week to actually get out the door, to get a walk in or a run in. Just making those small steps, achieving those small wins will encourage you to keep striving towards your goal. Now, that was my intention this morning. However, my morning got away from me. So here's another tip. If your morning gets away from you, just get dressed for your day and just still go for your walk. You don't have to be in stretchy pants to walk. I know I have read the book, French Women Don't Get Fat, something along those lines. And she talks about how in France they don't wear stretchy pants. But rather they get their exercise by walking, by wearing their everyday clothes and just being active. So today my morning got away from me, and so I just got dressed for the day, and I am doing my walking in circles in regular clothes, and that's fine. It's fine. Sometimes those little wins are what you need to still get to reach your goal, to reach your steps, to do whatever it is you need to do. And so sometimes just brainstorming what the next step is will be helpful. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. Lay out your clothes. Also, get yourself some cute exercise clothes, because sometimes that's just the motivation we need. You spend a little hard cash on some cutie little outfit, then you better put it on and use it for its purpose. And if your morning gets away from you like mine did today, just put on your street clothes and go for a walk. Sometimes what I'll do is just leave my house early and walk around the block to get to my car. You know, every step counts when you are trying to reach a goal. And of course, when I go to the grocery store, I always park at the very last spot, mostly to protect my car, but also to get my steps in. And so Judah and I are actively shopping right now for a new place to live, and that is a huge part of it. We'll drive through a neighborhood and we'll say, yes, I could definitely go for a walk here. Yes, I would definitely run here. Yes, I feel this is safe. Yes, yes, yes. Or no, absolutely not. And Judah's like, you're not walking by yourself here. No, absolutely not. So that's a huge part of it. Choosing something that will fit your lifestyle. So that's all I have for you today. This is Heidi Gammill, aka Nest Pretty, walking in circles, reaching my goals one step at a time, and I hope it encourages you to do the same. Have a great day. Bye.